Hello, and I am here for like the first time in over a year. I need to stop rhyming. If you hear talking in the background, that's my best friend. We live together, so yeah. Surprise, surprise. Some of you have probably seen it on my Instagram page because that is basically where I live now. I'm gonna be, okay, it's upside down. I'm gonna be using my new Natasha Denona palette thanks to my best friend Ray, who actually bought this for me, and I have no words because that is like the most amazing thing that anybody could ever do for me. Mind you, these do retail for about $169, I believe, but they are so good, and you will see later on in the video how good they are. The only complaint that I have is, I believe it's Galaxia, is a little bit powdery and it likes to kind of go everywhere. So this is what it looks like. By the way, most of what everybody sees me using on Instagram as far as foundation goes is usually I use my Milani. And actually this isn't technically even, I didn't buy this myself. My best friend gave it to me, and it's either that, my Amazonian clay, that also was given to me and happened to be in my shade. These two are very good price-wise. Like, I believe this retails for about $8 at the drugstore. I think this is around 36 maybe. And then my love is the Double Wear Stay in Place by Estee Lauder, which honestly is so freaking amazing. I could literally love nothing more in my life. Okay, so this is like super exciting for me to come back to YouTube. It's always been my dream to be a famous YouTuber, and I don't think I'll be like popular. I want to meet more people like me as far as like opinions on makeup goes, because I believe that it is for anybody and everybody. You can never be too young, too old to have makeup. Like, I see kids that are like 10 years old with like expensive ass makeup, and I'm totally jealous, but like if they have the means and the passion for it, then like go ahead, you do you. I look like a flesh monster, and this is like the stage where I don't like to film too much because I look very scary. For usually brows, I'm pretty basic when it comes to face makeup because I am scared of trying things like brands that I don't know about, but the more I'm into makeup, the more adventurous I want to be. So beware about the Cabral by Benefit. It can get a little dry, but I usually just put the, I don't know how to pronounce it, the Maracuja oil on it. Also, I have a hard time with my contour. A lot of times it likes to give me problems. Also, I shaved my face, so this feels super weird because I shaved it like not even a half hour ago, so it's like super soft. I don't know how to explain it. Does anybody else shave their face? Also, I'm going to be using my Aurora palette, which I got from TJ Maxx. I think I got it for like $24, and that's actually like a really amazing price. Whoa! Eyeshadow. So we're to that point, and I'm honestly scared to use it like for an actual makeup look because I did test it out a little bit last night. Tried to see like the pigments and stuff, and honestly it was amazing, and I was rubbing my eyes into it and it just stayed there. It stayed there. For my transition shade, I'm gonna go in with Flesh. Seems about right, and that's this color. Also, something that I should mention is that these shadows are super good. Like, you don't have to dig into them to get like a lot of color. You can literally just like little swipe and you get like a shit ton of pigment. I really like reds, so I'm gonna do that, but Ray told me to use Orion. But for now, I'm going to go in with this very cute red color called Electra. It's this one. I'm gonna go back in with this little thingy, and then I'm gonna go in with this darker reddish shade. It's called Phoenix. Makes sense. It's deep red, fiery color. Next, I'm going to take this brown shade called Earth. Again, makes sense. It's this one. On my lid, I'm gonna use Orion because, oh heck yeah. Since I was told that these need a glitter primer, I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna use the NYX glitter primer. It's pretty good as far as like priming goes. Ah! That's gorgeous! Oh my god. Jeez. It's amazing. I'm gonna come in with this red shade on the bottom line. Bottom line. For my inner corner, I'm gonna be using Polaris because I gotta. I'm gonna use my finger for that because whatever. Everything is gorgeous and wonderful. I'm in love with it and it's beautiful and amazing. And I have no complaints other than like some of the shades are a little bit powdery and it can be a little bit messy, but seriously, like that is the least amount of issues that I could have with a palette. Okay, and I'm gonna reapply like my, oh, you know what I wanted to do? Something that I actually wanted to do was use like one of these as a highlight. So I'm gonna go in with Galaxia and just, oh my god! I'm gonna use the shade that I hardly ever use. Okay, I'm not done with this look. I just remembered, because, you know, there are other things to do. I'm all over the place. What's wrong with me? So I'm gonna just, maybe eyeliner? Just like a tad bit. Curl my lashes and then use my one and only X-Rated by Smashbox. This mascara is really great for building up volume because that's something that I need. I definitely don't need length because my lashes are long as hell. It's both a blessing and a curse because, as you know, I wear glasses and they always touch. Right, and there is the whole look. I hope someone likes it. The Natasha Denona palette is completely amazing and I would buy 12 of them if I had the money. We'll definitely come out with more videos in the future, in the near future that is, because I need to work on my video skills. Hopefully I'll have better lighting by then. Bye!